Hey guys, Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, CEO and founder of the Academy of Financial Education. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, do me a favor. Go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure that you click on that little bell to get notified anytime that I upload some information, because you can best to believe that it's going to be fire. And guys, again, make sure that you share this video. So today is January the 29th, 2024, the year of more. More what? More prosperity, more time freedom, more tax savings, more money in your pocket, guys. Look, we are doing it again. What am I talking about? The Bible says that my people are destroyed from the lack of knowledge. Now, I always say that I don't know if the Bible was talking about a financial situation or a financial education when it made that statement, but I believe that that statement is very, 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 very true when it comes to financial education in this country, the United States of America. So what are we doing again? We're fumbling the bag. We're fumbling the bag. It's January 29th, 2024. And some of you are starting to file your taxes, and you're learning that you're getting a large refund from the IRS. We got to do better, folks. We got to do better. Okay, so let me jump into this. I don't want to drown this or drag this out too long, but guys, the definition of a refund, quoted from the IRS on Form 1040, is an overpayment. It is exactly what it says it is. An overpayment. Think about it. It's called a refund for a reason. You are being refunded what you should not have paid in the first place. Okay? Now, this tends to happen because if you are a W-2 wage earner, a single filer, or a married couple, 99.9%, this is what I found over the last 30 years, 99.9% of all employees have improperly completed their W-4. Some of you are saying, your W who? That's a problem. Okay, that's a problem. So again, if you are getting a refund, money that you had taken out of your paycheck during the course of the year 2023, you should not be celebrating. You damn sure should not take that money and go spend it as it is like it's extra money, because it's not extra money. It's money that you gave to the IRS as an interest-free loan, and they're just simply giving the money back. It says it on Form 1040. Go read it. Okay, most of us don't ever see it because guess what? We electronically file our taxes, and we don't see when you get ready to sign where the refund is. It has a big word that says refund, and then it says this is the amount you overpaid. Okay, how do we resolve that situation? You got to properly get that W-4 filled out. Unfortunately, you just can't go into your job and just say, hey, give me the W-4 and let me go check some boxes, guys. It doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work. You have got to assess your financial situation. It's going to be different for everyone. It's going to be different for a single person versus a married couple. I can tell you right now that 99.9999999% of married couples are either overpaying their taxes or underpaying their taxes because their W-4 is improperly filled out. The right hand doesn't know what the left hand is doing. The wife is going over here filling out the form. The husband is going over here filling out the form, and then they file one tax return, and it's all screwed up, okay? But I'm going to help you guys out with that. Let me get back to some other things I want to talk about. Fumbling the bag, okay? I want to talk briefly about... I've got some mixed feelings. Me and my wife, we have some mixed feelings about this, but nevertheless, it is what it is, okay? I want to talk about what's called the EITC, the Earned Income Tax Credit, AKA free money from Uncle Sam. The EITC, Earned Income Credit. I'm not sure why they call it Earned Income Credit. I honestly don't know why they're giving away this money. Last year in 2022, the IRS gave away $57 billion of your money The high income earners, the ones that say, oh, I'm in the middle class, I'm a six-figure earner. Yeah, they gave your money to the folk that I'm going to talk about right now. So let's jump into these numbers really quick. I'm going to do some more information on this, but let's jump into this information. Okay, so who qualifies for this free money? A single person that has no children that earns $17,640, the government's going to give you a $600 free check. A single person that has one child that earns $46,560, the government's going to give you $3,995 free money. A single person that has two children earning $52,918, your uncle has a check for you for $6,600. For those of you that are a single parent that has three kids making $56,888, Merry Christmas. Your uncle has a check for you for $7,430. You say, wait a minute, what do you mean half? The government literally gives you free money. I call it incentivizing you to stay in poverty, okay? But nevertheless, I'll keep my comments to myself. Let's get to the joint filers. If you are a joint filer, which means that you're married, two people filing a tax return together, you have no kids, and you made $24,210, the government has a free $600 check for you. If you have one child and you are a joint filer, married couple, made $53,120, no more than $53,120, the government has a $3,995 Christmas present for you. If you have two children and you made $59,478, ching ching, $6,604. And if you're a married couple that has three children or three dependents that qualify you for this credit, and your income did not exceed $63,398, the government has a $7,430 check awaiting for you. Now, here's what's disgusting about this. The IRS said in 2022, they estimate that 1 out of every 5 eligible recipient missed out on this free money. One out of every 5 recipient that they know, based on the money that was reported to them by their employer, qualified to get this free money, and they missed it. How'd they do that? My people perish from the lack of knowledge. Okay, I would think that some of these people were in fear of filing their tax returns because they thought maybe they owed money. Guys, we've got to do better. So as I get ready to wrap this up, again, it's January the 29th, 2024. 99.9% of you are overpaying your taxes. You're already starting that cycle all over again because you don't have your W-4 properly filled out, and they don't teach you how to do it. Some of you have income that just simply comes from your job. Some of you have income that comes from a side hustle and your job. Some of you have your husband income, your income, and a third income coming in. Maybe you won the lottery, whatever the case may be. Some of you are entrepreneurs, and you're generating tax deductions, during the year. You have extra income. You know that you're going to make an extra $5,000 this year. You know that you're going to generate all these tax deductions, but maybe you're not tracking them, okay? Your W-4 is killing you one way or another. If you're overpaying your taxes, that means that you're giving the government an interest-free loan. That means you're taking money that you could be paying off debt, investing in yourself, and making that money grow for you for the next 13 months. However, you're giving it to the government. They don't want your money. You're giving it to them, okay? Or you are underpaying your taxes because your W-4 is not properly filled out, and you're getting hit with an 8% interest and a penalty, and you don't even know it. So how do we solve this situation? So guys, I have a service that I put together years ago called the My Tax Report Card Assessment. Okay, this assessment takes your entire income. It takes your income from your job. It takes your income from your side hustle. It takes your income from your spouse. It takes in consideration your children. We assess the possibility of adding additional deductions, and we put together a blueprint, okay, and we spit out your results, and it tells you exactly what to put on your W-4. It tells you, if you're a married couple, what your husband should have on his and what the wife should have on hers. That has got to happen. Or if you guys do not bring those together at the end of the year, come tax filing time, you're either going to owe money or you're going to grossly overpay. And neither one of those are good, right? So the My Tax Report Card Assessment is something that I created. I don't think that any other tax professional offers this service, not to the detail that I go in. I go in deep. Okay, we uncover everything. We unturn every rock, okay? You know exactly how much money you're going to pay in taxes if this was January the 1st, 2025. That's how deep we go, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. In light of tax season, okay, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to, for a limited time, offer a 30% discount on that My Tax Report Card Assessment, okay? That assessment comes with a money-back guarantee. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I've been doing this assessment now for about 15 years. I've never had to get back a dime. You know why? Because I always save the people twice as much minimum than what they invested for the assessment. And it's affordable, okay? And it's affordable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an email down below inside of the description of this video. You need to get your assessment done. It is going to cost you. It is costing you. It has cost you thousands of dollars, and it doesn't cost thousands of dollars to do the assessment, okay? And we're going to discount that by 30% for a limited time. I don't know when I'm going to cut it off, but you'll know when it cut off because you'll email me and I'll say that discount's going, okay? So don't procrastinate. Go to the email, send me an email, and in the subject, put My Tax Report Card or put tax assessment, and I'll get that information to you. Okay, guys, stop fumbling the bags. Stop fumbling the bags. Get your money. Get tax informed. Look, the birds are getting excited. They said, look, man, get that free money. And I'm going to let some of you know a secret. Even if you exceeded these dollar amounts, there is a legal, ethical way for you to still qualify for this free money. Got to get informed. Guys, Mark Priors, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. As always, the more you know, the less you legally, ethically owe in taxes. We'll see you guys on the right side of money.